What's up, everyone? I want to share a story with you about two different freight brokers. So this first freight broker, this is how they go about actually moving a load when their customer requests them to move a load. This first freight broker goes on their favorite load board, puts in city to city, the pickup date, delivery date, the trailer type they need, and they post a load. Then they receive phone calls from carriers and dispatchers, and they're even receiving emails from these dispatchers as well. And so the broker takes phone calls, and they go like this. The carrier or the dispatcher's on the phone. Hey, I saw your load there. I'm interested in it. Can you give me a little bit more info on it? So the broker begins answering that question. Yeah, of course. It's 20 feet long, 8 feet wide, 5 feet high. It's 10,000 pounds. No tarps, straps, couple chains and binders needed. The driver needs to have PPE. These are available pickup days. We have to drop on this day. And there's a second drop over here. And that broker continues giving all the information. All right, so the dispatcher on the phone with that broker says, okay, cool, I see you have it posted for $2,000. Think we can do that for $2,250? And the broker says, we can do $2,100. That's my final offer. The dispatcher says, okay, cool, I'll see if my truck is willing to do that. I'll call you right back. The call hangs up. Another call comes in. As well as the broker notices an email come in, somebody interested in that same load. So the email actually says, hey, I'm interested in your load. Can you give me some more info? So now that broker is not only trying to multitask to answer all the info on that email, they're taking call number 2 from the dispatcher. Hey, I saw that load you got posted going from here to here. Can you give me a little bit more info on it? Yeah, sure. Broker's typing almost the same thing he's telling this caller number 2. It's 20 feet long, 7 feet wide, 5 feet high. It's about 7,500 pounds. The days we can pick up is this. And tells the person on the email all the info and on the call. Okay, so cool. Let me see if my driver, that'll work for him. Is $2,000 your best offer? Yes, it is. Okay. There could be another call number 3 coming in, and this broker will go through the same thing. Because, of course, we want to share that info, right, with anybody who's interested in the load. But let me tell you about broker number 2. Broker number 2, when they get a request from their customer to post a load, this is how they do it. They have all the information about that load. They get on their favorite load board, and they put all the information on the load. Not exactly where it's picking up, not exactly where it's delivering to, as far as addresses or names of locations. It's not even putting on the info on what actually the freight is, but it's putting all the pickup locations, putting the weight on the posting, the length, width, height, again, the weight, the trailer type. If there's tarps required, they're putting tarps required or no tarps. If there's a number of chains and binders needed, they're putting that. And any special notes along the way of that load, they're putting it in the posting. So they post a load, broker number 2. The phone starts ringing, as well as emails start coming in with dispatchers, carriers interested in the load. So the broker number 2 picks up the first call, and it's a dispatcher interested in that load. Hey, I see you got a load posted here, and can you give me more info on it? The broker number 2 says, hey, awesome, glad you're calling. Glad you're calling in for this load. I've got all the information on the posting. Let me know if you want to move forward and book it, and or if you have any questions. Glad to help. Broker is not talking. Broker number 2 isn't talking anymore. He's waiting on the dispatcher to see if they have any questions or if they want to book it. At the same time, while the dispatcher is now looking on the load for all the details, seeing if they have any questions, emails are coming in with people saying, hey, I'm interested in your load, broker number 2. Can you give me some more info? If broker number 2 hasn't already booked this load, this is their response in the email. All the info is on the load posting. What more info were you looking for? That's it. That's all the email. That's all it said in the email. That first caller booked the load, and it went like this. Now, I will tell you, when it comes to negotiating a deal, the more one talks, the more weak and less leverage they have in the deal. So broker number 1 regurgitated all the information on every call. Broker number 2 put all that information in the load itself and just asked the callers if they want to move forward with the booking or if they have any questions. Broker number 1 did a lot of talking. Broker number 2 did not do a lot of talking. Which one of those brokers would you rather be? That's what I want you to think about, all right? Please subscribe. My name is Alex Cassadell. Ring that bell, whatever, so you get the alerts on all the videos. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.